Hello students. The next question is find the amount for the following intra-state transaction. Here a table is given and MRP for each item, number of items and GST percentage is given. Here we have to find amount for the following transaction. MRP for each item is 125, 200, 160, 150, 180. Number of items 20, 27, 35, 32 and 25. Total cost of whole quantity is MRP for each item into number of items, that is 125 into 20, 2500, 200 into 27, that is 5400, 160 into 35, that is 5600, 150 into 32, that is 4800, 180 into 25, that is 4500. GST percentage is 12%, 12%, 18%, 28% and 18%. We know that GST is divided into CGST and SGST in equal rate. That is, here GST is 12%. So CGST is 6% and SGST is 6%. So CGST is 6% of and amount is 2500. 6%, that is 6 by 100 into 2500. 20 cancel out and the answer is 150. SGST is 6% of 2500 and here we already calculated 6% of 2500, that is 150. Next data is GST percent is 12%. So CGST is 6% of 5400. 6%, 6 by 100 into 5400. 20 cancel out and 324 is CGST. SGST is 6% of 5400 and 6% of 5400 is equal to 324. Here GST percent is 18%, so CGST is 9% of amount is 5600. 9%, that is 9 by 100 into 5600. 20 cancel out and 504 is CGST. Here 9% of 5600, that is equal to 504. Here GST percent is 28%, so this rate is equally divided in CGST and SGST, that is 14% of amount is 4800. 14%, that is 14 by 100 into 4800. 20 cancel out and 672. Here 14% of 4,800 equal to 672. Next, GST percentage is 18%. That is 9% of amount is 4,500. 9%, that is 9 by 100 into 4,500. 2020 cancel out and 405 is CGST. 9% of 4,500, that is equal to 405. And now we have to find out amount, and here amount is MRP plus CGST plus SGST. So here amount is equal to 2,500 plus CGST is equal to 150 plus SGST is equal to 150, that is 2,800. Here MRP is 5,400 plus CGST is 324 plus SGST is 324, that is equal to 6,408. Here MRP is 5,600 plus CGST is 504 plus SGST is 504 equal to 6,608. Here MRP is 4,800 plus CGST is 672, SGST is 672 equal to 6,144. Here MRP is 4,500 plus CGST is 405, SGST is 405, and the amount is 5,310. Amount of bill equal to 2,800 plus 6,408 plus 6,608 plus 6,144 plus 5,310, and the amount is 26,910 rupees. So here our solution is finished. Stay tuned and keep watching for more videos.